Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Google Drive. Click New and pick Google Slides to start a presentation immediately. Once done, name the file so autosave tracks changes. Make sure to pick a theme to keep design consistent. Next, import content if you have a Google Doc by using File right arrow Import Slides, which pulls text and formatting automatically. You want structure early, so create a title slide and one content slide now. This prepares the layout for efficient content addition later. You'll now populate slides. Choose layouts to match the content type and keep flow consistent. Insert images or video from Drive or Upload and add charts connected to Google Sheets for live data. This keeps updates automatic. Once comfortable, open Slide Master to change fonts, colors, or placeholders so every slide updates together, which saves minutes later. Also, apply transitions and simple animations sparingly. They guide attention without distracting from your message. Finish by reviewing slides, adding presenter notes, and using present mode to check timing and flow. Once ready, share the file, choose specific people or a link, and set editor or viewer permissions so collaborators can comment or edit. Export as PPTX or PDF from File right arrow Download when needed. If something goes wrong, first confirm sharing permissions and internet connection. If slides fail to load, clear cache or duplicate the file to force a fresh copy, which often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.